It's those are 55 and do you see this is a new car? And yeah, we'll see you at Costco, guys, because I know it's doing a vlog. Okay, so see you at Costco, guys. Hey guys, we're at Costco.
Don't go just yet.
Okay, here you go. Let's get out to Costco, guys. Shut! Ah, yes. See? Here's my brother. So yeah, let's go into Costco. Big one, let's go get the big one. Big one we go. Oh yes, banana. Okay.
Yes.
Push the other one out of there.
Plus.
There you go.
Okay, hey. Don't forget Ruby. Let's go in, guys. Let's go in. Okay, come on, Mom. Let's go where we want to go.
We're going to customer service.
Daddy, I'm making a video.
Got that.
Thanks. Whoa. Christmas catalog. So let's take a tour. Whoa, at Costco. This might be really boring, but still really cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, cool. Computers.
Yeah,
Hi, on YouTube.
not bright enough. I need dark.
Whoa. I've already been here, but I still miss this place. So yeah. See, it's really fun because you can watch it go, guys. Oh, look at Christmas stuff is up now. It's no more Stitch Sisters. Right now we have a big Christmas tree. Jesus.
Hi, that one fit.
Now my favorite part about this place is this. Daddy, go this section. Yes. Everybody would like to see this section on my YouTube channel. See.
Ooh, Minecraft.
Oh,
Look at this Xbox One.
I already have an Xbox. Keep going up. Now, please. Cool. There were toys in this for girls. Whoa, my friends might want like this. Diamond and 9 calories in space would like this. Piano. Oh! Poppy sunflower.
Oh, look.
Trolls.
Look at this.
Oh, Kylo Ren.
Next to her. Poppy.
There's a radio
Look at the
too,
Star
guys.
Wars.
Look at
Come
this
on.
area, guys. Oh, well, here it is, guys. There used to be food stands.
Doritos. We
Oh
already
wait,
have
Daddy, we
Doritos.
need to get those purple Doritos. Find
No,
them
we
now.
Spicy ones, huh?
Yes.
Spicy ones are purple.
They're
It's
the purple
one.
ones. Yeah, people want me to get them. No, they're not those. Keep going up. Oh well, we'll wait until we find them, guys. Guys, we're trying to find the purple Doritos that person
The
told
red
us.
Doritos, so yeah.
Not the nacho cheese ones. Those are not what we're looking for. Try to find the super spicy ones. Well, if we can't find them, guys, it's one.
Oh.
Okay, go left.
Beautiful.
I'll tell you where to go. Wait. This way. Now. Hey! Tell me where we have to go. Oh, left guns. Right. Good.
On that list.
Should go left. And shrimpos. Right. This way, right.
Good veggie
Go right,
spot.
go right. We have jackets
All
on.
we have is Brussels sprouts.
Next, left.
Brussels sprouts. broccoli.
Aaron, are you freezing?
Oh, there was
Now left. Left. Oh, whatever. Sorry about that, guys. Come on. Not just brain. You know what? Move it. Papaya, papaya. The right. Weehaw. This is more what I call fun. Woo. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, wow.
No.
Okay, now left.
Salt and pepper and olive oil. Cayenne pepper, I think you want.
Left.
What'd you say?
No, next
Ham
left.
slice?
Not this left, next left. And get the Ziploc. Yeah, that's better. Better. Now go up and then go left. Left. Bam. This is my steering wheel.
Good, we have paper plates.
Okay, left. Lefty, lefty, left. Ow, 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 ow.
Ooh, these are like lighter color ones.
And I want to go up because I have a Toys R Us kid. Trolls. That's not what the lyrics are thinking of. No, look, trolls.
No. Shrek.
All right, we're gonna have to get up from the seats.
Oh no.
Okay, now I'm gonna go at the seats, guys. See you at the seats. Hee hee. Yeah, I need another water. I'm just kidding. Wait for me. I'm still mad though. So mad. No, I'm mad.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
No, please sit right here.
Bye bye.
Okay, now sit down.
Psych. Now go. Ew, it smells so bad in the cow.
Huh?
Still mad though, guys. Ugh.
Sure, that's fine.
Wow.
What else?
Wipes.
So come on.
No.
Turn lesson. Here's a bigger amount of screen. We screen.
What do you call it? Berries, red berries.
We all screen. We're all screen. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Da, 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 da.
Wrong.
I'm a Toys R Us kid.
Troll.
Go to Market Basket.
Stop doing it like
Go
that.
to
I don't
Market
like it.
Basket
It's gonna
and
be
get the
sour.
gallon
Yeah,
one
that's
that's unsweetened, like what we used to get.
Yeah, Shaw's.
I'm a Toys R Us kid.
You're going to the
Yes.
wrong market.
I'm a
Market
spirit
sucks.
Halloween kid.
No.
They got
We-
Hey, grab that
Oh, the red
red
berries.
box right there.
no.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
No.
And then I'll get the white.
You're welcome, because I'm really mad. Ha ha. Lots of flakes. Just tell me what I have to do now, and I'll do it for you. Okay, Daddy?
I'm gonna get white.
Okay, where are the wipes? I want to do that. Make Jeffy do it.
You heard him.
Go. Go to the little fast little legs can go. Joe's Lord 55.
Does or doesn't?
Come on. Doge Lord 55.
Scratchy.
Doge Lord 55.
Like you then?
Doge Lord 55. Doge Lord 555. 555. Doge Lord 55. Doge Lord 55.
Okay, Nate. See him?
Yeah. Wipes.
Yeah. heavy. It's on his
Hey, you gotta say Doge Lord 55. Say it, Daddy.
Doge Lord 55.
Yes, that's better. Don't call me my real name. Now go! Woohoo! Bye bye. We're already gonna go out, guys. Meet you out, okay? Okay, guys. We're gonna go home now. See you for a whole guys. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye.